I'm going to the LZ tour. What's the LZ tour? Check this out.
Cool, that was a calculated risk. I just fucked the maths up.
How many watts is it?
The amp is 8,000.
Yeah? Now, how have I got to go there? I've entered this as a show car. A show car! So, let's get this from a rally car to a show car. It's all good, plenty of time. I got 2 weeks. First step, stickers off. Let's go. When removing vinyl stickers, it's important to heat them up enough to soften the glue and pull them away from the panel. A heat gun is a brilliant way to achieve this. Heat the panel, get it nice and warm, and peel each sticker off, one by one. Next up, give it a wash. Foam cannon and 2 bucket method, nice and simple. Take your time, top to bottom. Wheels off, wheel clean. There's about 10,000 k's of grime in these, so this can take me a moment. Just rinse, repeat, wheel cleaner, bit of agitation, water blast off, keep going until it's all gone. Where am I now? I'm on my way to R&R Mechanical, little shop in the Naki in Stratford. Haven't dealt with them before. I'm trying to build a local mechanical base because I've always gone to New Plymouth and dealt with Kylie at ABS. But he sold the shop, so after having such good dealings with Zach at Taranaki Panel and Paint, I thought I'd hit him up. He said go and see R&R. So today's the day, going to see R&R. They're hopefully going to make it so this is a bit quieter. There's Ryan. It's 9 days to LZ tour. I'm going to whip the front off because I want to change this. Here, I'll bring you with me. I want this to no longer be black. I want it to be green. I'm going to paint the bonnet in and out. I'm going to get some cans and give this a quick whip over and this a quick whip over. I'll get the cans tomorrow. And yeah, the bonnet, I've been wanting to paint this for ages. I'll do that with a gun though. I'll figure out what I'm going to do with those. And yeah, give the engine bay a quick squeeze up. Looks pretty good. I need to put this mount back on. I put it on in the wrong place. I want to sort something out for here. If I've got time, I would love like a little plaque that goes through there that I could put like rewires and Hara Automotive and things like that. The ones that have, you know, really helped make this what it is. Exhaust is done. R&R did it. New shop I started dealing with. Really cool people. So stoked with that. Haven't even looked at it. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. That's welded up nice and solid. Mean. Doesn't sit too low. That looks about right. Cool, man. So that's one thing done. So I should really take that off the list. So what have we got? So pin up there. Where are you? Fix exhaust. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try the style of just not letting you look at everything and just sort of flicking through it. So I'll leave it on, I'll waffle away and we'll see how we go. First step, indicator. First step is license plate off. Probably work just like this. Well, yep. Gotta be careful with these now. You can't get them in the silver anymore, black and silver. So if these ever were to get damaged or more damaged, that I'll be running, I suppose, aftermarket ones you'd call them. Next step is to unbolt everything. Bonnet, guards, front balance, front bumper, the whole lot must come off so you can repaint it. I mainly wanted to get this off so I can clean the bottom of it, so I knew it wouldn't take long. Clean around them. I know this is rusty, but clean that back as best I can. I don't want to spray anything on it. I was saying I should look after that. I'll put it up here. So here's that one. Next thing, now it's this valance, which should just be really simple. Judging by what's going on, I'm going to say 12 mil, but you know it is 12 mil. Bit of a loner in the garage today. This mission is, I just want to get that off, and to get that off I'm pretty sure I've got to take these off. I think if I'm going to take those off, I might as well take these off, and I'll take those off because I want to get the guards off, because the bottom of the guards here have got that black shit on them, and part of my mission with this difference is to get all the black shit off this, and I want to paint it green. I want the front of my car to be all one colour. There's silicone and all sorts up here, so this, I could be biting off a whole lot of emission, but I don't think I am. I think I got this. I got this. So this comes off, which is 10 mil there, which to get it, you gotta get that. So yeah, all this has gotta come off first. So yeah, it's just all part of a process, really. One I haven't done in a while. So that's all those clips are. So you've just got to get those tabs there to depress enough. If you push it, and the metal sits where those lines are. So if you depress it enough, it'll just pop out. That one fell apart, which gives us a great exploded diagram. It quite literally just pops back in. Yeah, pop back in. Good to go. It's a relatively good grill, this one. Did well getting that one. Okay, I just made a decision that I'm painting more, because this needs to be painted too while I'm this far in. So that means the radiator top's got to come off. Oh, what's it going to be, like a 5.5? 5.5, no, 6 mil. Yep, that's gonna work. Hell yeah, brother. Thanks, Cletus. That goes back into where it went. Really not sure who's watching this. Tell me who's watching. I'm quite intrigued, because I'm trying to film videos that I'd enjoy watching on a topic that I like doing, which is old Toyotas. And I constantly look for more of it to watch, and there doesn't seem to be much of it out there, so I'm one of those people that if there isn't something, I try and put it out there. So if you're watching this, I mean, I know there's a bunch of my mates that watch it, and that's really cool. It's, I think I've even got mates that are like overseas that watch it, which would be quite buzzy, sort of hanging out with someone you know. Very one way though, which I suppose is probably pretty normal to hanging out with me. Bring that over so it's actually got something to look at. I'm just undoing the other one on this side. That's off. It's pretty cool having a car that is this simple that you can do this shit. So next thing is to take those guards off. Take those off. I'm just going to put these in there. Now I need to go back to a 10mm. Where else are we connected? There. I'm going to take those headlight surrounds out, aren't I? Might as well do it now. So now guards are still coming off. There's a little bolt in there, which is a pain to get to. So I'm just going to use a little ratchet spinner. Takes a little bit longer, but don't damage the rest of the paint. Bolts under the car are often rusty, and as keen as you may be to ugga-dugga everything off, I tend to use hand tools so you can feel what's happening and prevent cross-threading, or worse, snapping the bolt off. Yeah, that went better than I thought. Going to put the car outside and then set up an area in here that I can use as a paint prep area. It looks like there's so much more going on than there is. I suppose there is a lot going on, but yeah, I'm a big fan. I really love this car. Took the wheels off for some new tyres and suddenly looked back at my car and thought, oh man, what have I done? Come on, Gator, you've got this.